Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by building a clean library and event so media stays organized. This matters for speed and backups. Import clips using proxy files when working with H.264 or RAW to keep playback smooth, and apply keywords and favorites for quick retrieval. Once done, set your timeline frame rate and resolution to match primary footage, and confirm your scratch and backup disk locations so exports won't fail later. You assemble a rough cut fast, use the select and blade tools, then trim with JKL playback for rhythm. Once the structure is locked, refine timing with slip and slide edits and stabilize or retime problem clips. For multicam, sync and use angle viewer to switch. Then consolidate with compound clips where helpful, assign roles for audio organization, and perform secondary color corrections to match shots. This keeps edits non-destructive and efficient. You finalize by choosing share settings that match delivery specs. If needed, send to compressor for custom codecs and bitrates. Make sure audio is balanced, export stems when clients request separate tracks, and burn captions or include LUTs. If export stalls, relink any offline media, delete render files to force new renders, and toggle proxies to full resolution to isolate the issue. This single troubleshooting step usually resolves.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.